in this lifetime. Meron silang mga certain task na kailangang gawin. Yung dalawang soul na yan, yung ikaw at ni Twin Flame, in this lifetime, that will going to help evolve yung consciousness ng mga tao sa paligid natin, ng buong mundo at ng universe. Hello, welcome to Changing Awareness and Enlightenment channel. It's me, Jen. The essence nung presence nung ating twin flame in our lives. Why we meet our twin flame is that because this particular soul has something to teach us, at ganun din tayo sa kanila. And hindi niya yun sasabihin sa'yo, of course, kasi hindi niya rin yun alam. At syempre ikaw hindi mo rin alam kung ano yung iti-teach mo sa kanya. Our own personality and your soulmate or your twin flame's personality has its own blend. We all have our own preferences. Okay? Kung ano yung personality natin. Kung ano yung meron tayo at meron yung si twin flame. And how it will make the connection work. How the connection will going to be of what it is. There are so many signs, which is ilalagay ko dito, signs of twin flame, na pwede nating masabi na twin flame siya. But yung lahat ng mga expectations na yan sa connection ng twin flame or yung mga signs sa twin flame para mas malinaw, kailangan natin mas maging totoo sa sarili natin kung talaga nga bang twin flame yung nami-meet natin. Kaya yung iba, meron ako nabasa na comment na parang walang kwenta yung meet up nila ni twin flame kasi nagkaiwalay din sila. Hindi rin magandang ending for some reason. They need to separate. At ang pinakamasakit yata siguro sa part na yun is parang ang simple lang ng reason bakit sila naghiwalay. Sorry for that, pero twin flame kasi is not an ordinary connection. It's a very, very divine connection. At hindi siya nangyari lang sa atin because we need to have alam mo yun, parang romantic love life na magiging happily ever after na kasama natin. Hindi kasi ganun yung twin flame. I would say na it can happen sa mga soulmate, but not all soulmates will be ganon. Kasi iba-iba yan ang dynamics. In this lifetime, there are so many relationships that we may encounter. Honestly, gusto kong sabihin is, baka nga hindi pa natin twin flame to eh. Diba? Kasi ang twin flame is very divine in its own existence in our life. At hindi ito yung tipo ng connection na porket nagkasundo kayo is masasabi mo na twin flame, na porket you have so many signs, twin flame na siya. It needs to have a spiritual connection. Mararamdaman mo yon deep in your core kung siya ba talaga yung twin flame mo. Hindi yan simpleng kinilig ka, hindi yan simpleng na in love kayo ng gusto sa isa't isa because magkasundo kayo. Hindi yan yung simpleng connection na lahat ng bagay ay sumasang-ayon sa inyo. Hindi siya ganun. I mean, debunking all of those expectations sa twin flame is hurtful, diba? Dissatisfying, pero hindi kasi talaga ganun yung twin flame. Mas malalim yung binibigay na learning na binibigay sa atin na twin flame. Maybe sa ngayon hindi pa natin maintindihan why they exist in our life, but as we go along sa buhay natin, especially when we get older, mas naiintindihan natin yung mga meaning why we meet our connections. Not only twin flame, no, It doesn't need to be na kailangan magstay ni twin flame sa buhay natin. Kung ano yung mga experiences that we experience with our twin flame, those are the things that we need to understand kung ano yung reason why we meet them. Kasi gusto natin yung bakit pa kasi natin na-meet si twin flame tapos mag-iwalay din pala kami. I think we need to look in a more soulful questioning why we meet our twin flame instead of questioning the existence and the loss of our twin flame in a more hurtful way. Diba? Dapat tingnan natin siya in a more spiritual way. And paano natin gagawin yun? As simple as tingnan mo yung mga signs nung na-meet mo siya. Ano yung mga signs na nakita mo? How you meet this person? Is there any kind of spiritual sense nung na-meet mo siya? From there, magsisimula ka and then you'll see the magic why you meet your twin flame. Kailan mo siya na-meet? Is there any kind of synchronicities that you see? That you observed? Not necessarily numbers, but there are certain synchronicities that you can see, and most probable nga dun yung numbers. Recently kasi ito na yung uso ngayon talaga, or I would say ito na yung pinakamadaling makita because we are in a more digital time. Kaya numbers are really existing everywhere, and it's one way the universe is communicating with us. So I would say magagamit natin yung numbers as synchronicities, but there are so many ways that we can really find mga existing synchronicities, existing meaning there when we meet, or before we meet, or after we meet our twin flame. And pwedeng makakita tayo ng mga deja vus, we can dream of them, we can hear words, phrases, we can see faces of people or places or certain things that it always popping up. Alam mo yun, those are kinds of synchronicities, hindi lang numbers. Okay? So, i-relate natin dun sa connection natin. It may not be easy, but holding on to those observations, kung hahayaan lang natin na mag-sink in sa atin yun, at least naalala natin kung ano yung mga signs na yun or synchronicities na yun. And then, one day, with patience and love sa ating sarili, one day marirealize natin na may connect yung mga synchronicities na yan sa twin flame mo. At most importantly, sa'yo. Ganito yan eh. For as simple as bilang tao, we always tend to romanticize nga, no? Twin flame, soulmate, and all of those love connections na ina-expect natin na parang if we see synchronicities, we are too focused dun sa mga meanings nung mga synchronicities na hindi natin napapansin na nada-drive away na tayo sa spiritual meaning niya. Hindi na natin nakikita yung spiritual meaning niya kasi mas nakafocus na tayo ngayon dun sa gusto natin na itong connection na to is mapasa atin. Kung hindi pa natin sila nagiging karelasyon, gusto natin mapasa atin sila. Aminin nyo yan or hindi, yun ang katotohanan. 'Di ba? Although yung iba sinasabi nila na okay lang naman sa akin na hindi ko siya maging ka-relationship. Go. Kasi the more na you are denying things, I mean, hindi lang yung part na gusto mo siya maging ka-relationship. Kahit ano pa yung issue ninyo, yung person na yan, ni twin flame, if you are keep on denying things, or sabihin na natin hindi ka nagiging pure or honest sa iyong intentions, or at least hindi ka nagiging honest sa sarili mo kung ano ba talaga yung nangyayari sa damdamin at sa utak mo, they are not meeting each other, yung utak mo at saka yung dibdib mo, because there is denial. then things will be magiging mahirap para sa'yo maintindihan. Kaya nga, lagi kong sinasabi na lahat ng connections na meron tayo, they always teach us to know ourselves, to learn kung sino tayo, makita kung ano ba tayo, because that is one of the best gift na ibinibigay sa atin ni Twin Flame is yung know ourselves, know thyself. And I believe all of the connections are doing that to us, kaso lang sa iba-ibang aspeto ng pagkatao natin. Like, for example, kagaya na binanggit ko sa last video ko na yung mga kaaway natin is also a relationship, and they also teach us something about ourselves. Only on the other aspect of ourselves. Kasi nga, yung tipo ng relationship or connection na meron tayo dun sa kaaway natin is a not acceptable, not loving connection. It's also running in the same spectrum, which is love and hate. Diba? So, for example naman yung mga tao na nakapaligid sa atin, like family or friends, iba-iba rin ng aspeto natin yung itinuturo nila sa atin on how to know ourselves. At ang pinaka-importanting binibigay sa atin ng mga tao na masasabi natin naka-highlight sa buhay natin, especially those people na mayroong mga high intensity of or highly charged emotions, or sabihin na natin merong attachments sa atin. Ito yung mga tao na kung saan may malaki silang bagay na itinuturo sa atin. Sila yung mas may ibinibigay na may mas importanteng learning experience na ibinibigay sa atin. Why we meet our twin flame, there is a more spiritual reason why we really meet them. Kagaya na lagi kong sinasabi, our experiences will teach us lessons. Mahirap siya maintindihan, pero yun na kasi yung pinakasimpleng paraan para maintindihan natin na yun talaga yun. Na all the relationships that we encounter in this lifetime is always gonna teach us lesson from our experiences. So yun. But if we look in a more spiritual way, in a more soul connection way, start ulit tayo dun sa soul contract. Okay? So in this lifetime, nung pinanganak tayo or bago tayo ipinanganak in this lifetime, our soul at yung soul ni Twin Flame, they both agreed na magmi-meet sila this lifetime. They both also agreed kung hanggang saan yung extent ng imi-meet nila this lifetime. And that is the reason why some Twin Flame connection stayed and why other connections or Twin Flame connection didn't stay, because of that soul contract. At hindi natin yun mababago. Why? Because our soul contract knows kung ano yung kailangang ma-encounter nung soul natin with your Twin Flame in this lifetime. Meron silang mga certain task na kailangang gawin, yung dalawang soul na yan, yung ikaw at ni Twin Flame, in this lifetime, that will going to help evolve yung consciousness ni universe, ng mga tao sa paligid natin, ng buong mundo at ng universe. Ganon ka-powerful at ka-divine ang Twin Flame connection. At nasasabi ko na hindi lang Twin Flame, lahat ng klase ng connection na napapanood ninyo, na nakikita ninyo kung ano-ano pa yan, mga klase ng connection, whether karmic yan, catalyst yan, may sinasabi pa sila na twin ray, may mga ganyan pa, soulmate, at kung ano-ano pa mga baby. Lahat yan, hindi natin pwedeng i-discriminate at sabihin natin na isa lang ang pinaka-importante dyan. Lahat yan importante. Iba-iba lang siya ng intensities or iba-iba lang ng kung anong aspeto mo ang idinidevelop niya. Bakit dinidevelop ka? Bakit niya idinidevelop tayo? Because the reason why we actually live this lifetime, and in every lifetime na nabubuhay tayo is to learn. Kasi nga sabi nila, di ba? The world is our school. Bawat buhay, yung buhay na sinasabi ko is yung bawat lifetime from our birth hanggang sa ating death. Ito ay isang grade. Para kang pag nag-aaral, grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, ang ganyan. Grading system. Now, from every lifetime, there is certain subjects, di ba, na kailangan mong matutunan. And ang pinagkaiba lang ni grade sa school at ni lifetime is that we have our souls. Which is, pwede kong ihalin tulad sa grading sa school is that we are aware that we're going to take the next grade. Nagets mo? Aware din tayo pagka, let's say, sabihin natin high school or college. Lagi natin sa ganung level, no? Aware tayo na yung soul natin na kailangan nating i-take yung isa pang subject na hindi natin na-take ng maayos last year or bumagsak tayo. So, aware tayo nung mag-enroll tayo. Ang soul natin is aware na this lifetime, iti-take ko tong subject na to. Magre-retake ako hanggang matapos ko yan. Kung kinakailangan kong mag-retake hanggang matapos ko yung subject na yan, gagawin ko. Ganun yung soul natin. So, depende yun kung ano yung subject na i-retake natin. But of course, sa life, hindi lang yan ilang subjects. There are so many aspects of our life that we need to learn to understand. At pag nag-aaral tayo, hindi lang naman yung subjects yung inaaral natin, di ba? Ganun din sa buhay. Ang pinaka-importante na dapat nating matutunan sa buhay is yung sarili natin. Di ba? And nung pinanganak tayo, meron na tayong set of personality na nag-exist ever since nung pinanganak tayo. Just like our names, kung kailan tayo pinanganak, the date that we are born, yung physical appearance natin, di ba? Lahat yan will attribute kung magiging sino tayo in this lifetime. Okay, ano naman ang kinalaman dun sa twin flame connection mo? Lahat nung sinabi ko kanina, ganun din si twin flame. Lahat ng experiences, ng grading system na nagaganap sa'yo, nangyayari din kay twin flame or nangyayari din kay twin flame at nangyayari sa lahat ng tao sa paligid natin. So it means lahat tayo, we are passing through these experiences, through all this grading system in our life that we need to learn. At ang laging itinuturo sa atin pag nag-aaral tayo, hindi nawawala yung GMRC. Nung panahon ko, GMRC yun. Hindi ko alam ngayon kung ano na sa school. But that's it. Good manners and right conduct. So, yun yung GMRC, no? So, ang essence nito is to teach us how to be a proper human in this lifetime. Of course, depende pa rin yun. Doon papasok yung our spiritual life or the religion or yung mga cultures, traditions that we have learned in this lifetime. Or ito yung mga on-hand na meron tayo since pinanganak tayo. Set of understandings na ibinigay sa atin nung mga taong naka-influence sa atin habang lumalaki tayo. So, ito rin yung mag-build sa atin kung sino tayo. At pag na-meet natin si Twin Flame, dahil ganun din siya, meron din siyang set of cultures niya and all. Pareho kayo. These differences that you have and similarities that you have will going to have its mixed up and will going to make that particular connection of what they are. Kung ano yung magiging connection na meron kayo. Kung ano yung magiging combination ng magiging kayo. And all of this are all teaching of who we are. At kung ano yung mga bagay na kailangan nating ayusin sa sarili natin tanggapin sa sarili natin, unawain sa sarili natin. Bakit ko sinasabing sarili natin? Twin flame nga. Yun kasi yung problema. Porque nasa twin flame connection tayo, we always focus ourselves on that love connection. In the first place, hindi nga tayo sure kung twin flame natin tong tao na to, di ba? Minsan meron lang talagang connection na sobrang intense in any way or form. At minsan, napagkakamalan natin na sila na yung the one. Or pwedeng sila nga yung the one, pero hindi sila yung twin flame. Or pwedeng sila yung twin flame, pero hindi sila yung the one. The one means sila yung mag-i-stay na makakasama mo in this lifetime. Or pwede namang wala palang the one. Pwedeng ganun, di ba? So we need to understand, we need to see twin flame in a more soulful way, in a more soul connection, na merong dahilan why they come to us, and that is to teach us and help us know ourselves, help us love ourselves, help us accept ourselves in a more intricate, in a more special, in a more deeper sense ng sarili natin, na we need to realize how beautiful we are, how our own weakness is our own beauty. Bakit ko sinabi yung weakness? Kasi as a human, ito yung isa sa malaking weakness natin. Hindi ko sinasabing lahat, but marami talaga, including me. Include mo ko dito. Pero syempre, kailangan nating matuto, di ba? Na weakness natin yung connection. Have you ever realized that? Yung sinasabi nila, marupok ako eh. Ito yun. Pero ginagawa lang nating wordings yun, yung ganun wordings. Wordings na, marupok ako eh. But did we really ever try to work out that issue that we have? Tinry ba natin na ayusin yung sarili natin kapag marupok tayo? Diba? Some are not, some they do, pero they failed. Some do na workout nila. Some are not yet. Pwedeng ganun, diba? Kasi choice mo yan eh. It's up to you if you're going to work on it or not. It's up to you if you are working on it or not. It's up to you if you failed and you want to still work on it or not. And it's up to you if you are planning to work on it or not. Yun, yung to work on yung weakness natin sa relationship. We are so vulnerable when it comes to relationship. And we tend to gusto natin na we want them in our life. We want them to stay in our life. Na that's not the case. All of the people that will come to our lives will come and go. They will pass. Just darating yung point in our life that these people needs to be separated with us because we need to level up our experience. We need to meet other people because we need to know more about ourselves. By meeting people, by being in a connection, by being in a relationship, by being with other people will help us to experience things. Hence, it will give us a lesson, and that lesson must need to be learned. That lesson must need to be understood, and that lesson must need to be accepted for us to be able to evolve as a conscious human being and as a spiritual being. I guess that's the most important thing na kailangan nating maintindihan in this particular topic, kasi yun talaga yung reason why we meet our twin flame, and I guess why we meet people, why we meet certain connections, even animals, even plants, all of those particular connections that we have, or attachments I would say, kasi aminin natin o hindi, when we are in a connection, we tend to attach. So, kailangan natin maintindihan at makontrol kung ano yung essence ng mga connections natin or attachments natin, and how strong do we really need to hold on to them. At kailangan ba nating mag-hold on to them? Okay? So, I guess my explanation is too long. If there are certain questions that you wanted to ask, just comment sa ating comment box, and I will try to answer them again. Thank you so much for watching. See you again on my next video. Always remember to take things gracefully.